guys, today I'm going to just show you I'm going to talk about this squeaking, the noise coming from the engine of your car. It's most often in the front part. You hear this squeaking every time you start your car. You know that you have a problem either with your belt, with your idler pulley, or with your belt tensioner. So either of them. So what I recommend, guys, is for you guys to use something like WD-40 belt dressing. The first solution for you to do is to spray the belt dressing on the belt, so that you'll be able to tell if the problem is your belt dried up. Yeah, here's WD-40, guys. I'm gonna spray on the belt, and then you'll be able to tell if that's the problem for today, guys, or it is something else. Maybe the pulley is wrong. Here we go. Yes, guys, you see the squeaking has gone away. That means my belt has dried up and then needs lubrication. So I'm just spraying on this belt, this idler pulley and the belt tensioner, just to make sure, guys, that there's no noise coming from there, so that I rule out if there's a bad bearing, so that we will be able to replace them. But for me, I think my belt is dried up, so I need to find maybe a proper belt dressing spray to spray on it, so that it just stops squeaking for now, until maybe if it keeps randomly coming back, then I think I need to replace my belt and then get a new one, because this one seems to be dried up. That's why it's slipping all over the place. Okay, guys, I hope this video really helps you out, guys. But please make sure when you're narrowing down, make sure you test first the belt, and then you test also the idler pulleys and the belt tension. I hope this video helps you guys.